Replacing your Everydrop water filter is really simple. Replace your filter every 6 months to optimize contaminant reduction. First, make sure you have the right filter number and colored cap for your refrigerator. Remove, then recycle your cap. Next, find your holder. It'll be at the base of your refrigerator. Pop out the old one. Have a cloth handy as there may be excess water. That's completely normal. Reapply the bottom cap to the new one and slide it in. You'll hear it click when it's locked. Thoroughly run your dispenser to activate the filter. You may hear a loud air pressure sound, but that's normal. Getting 6 new months of clean, fresh-tasting water and ice is as easy as that.
You can purchase this filter at a cheaper price at filterforfridge.com. Come check us out.